What's up, guys? It's me again, Renee, and today I'm teaching you guys how to make adding a lot of stuff into slime. Even though I'm saying a lot of stuff, I'm only using one type of glue because I do not want waste. You will need shaving foam, shaving gel. I don't have shaving gel, so I'm only using that, but both is better. Your activator. I actually got two activators. Baby oil or food coloring or coloring, something to mixing and something to mix with, baking soda, cornstarch, or anything else you want to add to it. So first step, pour your glue. It could be enough glue. First pour your glue into your bowl container. Push it all the way. It's up to you how much you want, actually. I just want to go like a lot. Yeah. And then add some shaving gel, shaving foam. Again, up to you how much you want to put in. I'm just putting like, I don't know, a lot, a little, I have no idea. Just putting. And then mix. Mix like thoroughly until, oh my god, my glue almost came out. Mix thoroughly until it's like one color, one consistency. And then you add your colors. It's a shaving. I wasted some glue. I just put it back in. And then the shaving gel actually gave me some colors, so I don't need food coloring. And then baby oil. Again, up to you how much you want to put in. Just, it helps with the softness, but not too much though. It's hard to activate it. Then mix again. And then you add then some cornstarch. Again, up to you. Like, everything here is up to you, so I don't need to say more of this, or that's like really embarrassing. And then mix. Mix like, I can't really show you, or it'll dump out again, and I do not want that. And now add some baking soda. Mix again. And now least add your activator, like for the glass. Right? And first, okay, I don't think I have space for the contact lens solution now. I think I've added too much of this. I can't add that. Mine is so working. Now mine is some contact lens solution. Because I'm adding too much. I know lots of things. Whoa, keep on mixing until this gets this awesome slime consistency. Okay, I just can't seem to say that word. Keep on mixing. That's the word I'll use. Keep on mixing until it sticks off your bowl container. You could use your hand when it comes and get to this. And then just use your hand, but do have some activator at your side. Just use your hand to start playing. Activator. Only a little bit at a time, because as Mary said, a little goes a long, long way. keep on pouring until it becomes not sticky slime, or if you want sticky, sure, lots up with that, but I don't want it to be sticky, so okay, this is so good. Oh my god, it's still kind of sticky, but it's totally fine. This sounds like so good. Oh my. Okay, I will need some more activator. I was wrong. I was still wrong. Here. Okay. No! My slime is falling to my activator. Yes, this is it. This slime is completely awesome. Well, thanks, guys. This slime is completely awesome. And thanks for being my friend or anything. If you guys have time, please follow me on Musical.ly or subscribe to this and like this and comment this. I have no idea. You choose. Oh, this is it. This is nice. If it worked, please comment down below. Like right down there, and subscribe is right down there as well. So yeah. Bye guys.